Greetings, it is your friendly neighborhood war beast Toki. I've noticed that unboxing videos, for some fucking reason, popular on YouTube, so I'm doing one. I received a gift from Blingtron 5000. Let's open it up and see what I got. Let's see here, Black Rock Coffee and 2 True Steel ingots. Thank you, Blingtron 5000. Oh, a damaged driver I can fucking sell for 35 gold. Alright, I guess. But, yeah, that's a fucking unboxing video for me, because for some fucking reason, people like to see other people on YouTube open up fucking gifts. I think that's fucking pointless, and I don't like watching that. But if you like seeing me open a fucking gift from Blingtron 5000, then I go find something else to do, cause this is fucking pointless. Just like watching anyone else open anything on YouTube, like all those fucking unboxing videos. It's fucking pointless. I guess you go to fucking birthday parties and watch people unbox their presents. But, other note, a few days ago, I finally got enough Time Warp badges, 5,000 of them, to get this fucking beast of a mount. The Ironbound Raft Charger. And it's fucking awesome. And if you've gotten this mount this weekend, since it was the Raft of Lich King Time Walking Dungeon weekend, I hope you've gotten this mount and are enjoying it as much as I am. Look at this beastly fucking mount. Anyway, until next time, motherfucking